Hey everybody, welcome back. This is your August 2024 single family home market update for Tampa, Florida. We're taking a look back at July's single family stats, and then we're also going to take a look forward, just real quick, briefly, about what's going on about the halfway point of August right now. So real quick, wanted to take a look at the median days to sell. That's still at 16, so that's just over 2 weeks, which is still very strong, very quick. It's right in line with this year's averages. That's down from the first quarter. In the first quarter, they were looking at high 20s into the low 30s. In the second quarter, they've been at right at around the 2 week mark. So the median days to sell, that's been consistent. The average days to sell, you're going to see that's higher, but that's because that's going to include properties that maybe aren't priced right, that aren't selling. So the median sales price is down month over month 1%. That's down to 485,000, but it's up 6% from last year. Where you're going to see the big drop though is the average sales price. The average sales price is actually down 14.6% month over month, and that's down to 624,000, and that's down 3.6% from last year. And that's actually the lowest average sale price that we've had since April. Total sales month over month is up 10.5%. Our total sales for single families was up to 609 in July. If you're looking at the sell price to the original listing price, that's still very strong at 97.7% for the month. I was unchanged throughout quarter two, and the inventory is still at 3 months of supply, and that's been unchanged since February. So, what we're still seeing is still a strong, active market for single family homes in Tampa. If you listen to the national news, they're going to tell you that inventory is way up in the Tampa Bay area, which yes, inventory as a whole is up, but that's going to include things like condos. Now, I don't like to mix the condo stats and the single family stats because the people who are looking for a 4 bedroom single family home in Tampa are not the ones who are looking for that vacation property over in Clearwater Beach. So I think that you have two different markets, two different types of buyers, and that's why I don't like to lump all of that together. So just taking a look at new listings, that was at 803 for July, and expireds, we were at 38. And we also had quite a few more of the canceled listings. So again, the canceled and the expired listings are the ones that failed to sell in the allotted time that they were on a listing contract. If you are one of those people who still want to sell your home, please give me a call, give me a text, shoot me an email, and I'd love to have a conversation to see how we can help you maximize your profit and still actually get your home sold. So, looking forward to August really quickly. We're just over the halfway point. We're at the end of the second full week here. Um, New listings are down halfway through, expireds are up. Expireds are actually pacing to go higher than the 38 right now, and the sales price average is way down. That's actually the sales price average is down to 560,000, and the median is down to 430. So that's just sales that have happened so far. We still have 2 more weeks to go to really fill in those numbers. But I think what we're seeing right now is we are starting to see some of those closing prices trend down. So if you're a buyer, that's definitely good news. We're also starting to see some interest rates coming down, and there are predictions that interest rates could be dropping again in September as well. So we're definitely keeping an eye on that, especially for the buyers out there. But again, the sales price average and the median, those are both down right now, halfway through on the month of August. I think for now to the end of the year, we're definitely going to see a few shifts in the market continue to happen. Some of the pricing, I do think we'll see some more price cuts, price negotiation options, especially for the buyers out there who have been sitting on the fence. Now, the good news is that there's also been some talk about interest rates coming lower over the next month or two, and that's going to increase buying power. Maybe that also sparks up more demand for the buyers. So we'll see how that balances out everything. Thank you guys again so much for tuning in. Again, my name is Andy Barch, and this was the single family market update for July 2024 in Tampa, Florida. And we'll be back again soon. Thank you guys.